Meatballs are said as a type of dim sum and in Vietnam, especially in Hoi An. This dish is popular for the breakfast or brunch, or as the main course during meals. Vietnamese meatballs are commonly made with minced pork paired with fresh or dried shrimp and onions. These ingredients are formed into small balls and steamed, maintaining the fragrant taste of the meat. They are topped with a flavorful tomato sauce, creating an intensing flavor. It also is added with a quail egg, making meatballs more delicious. This dish is often eaten with bread or steamed rice. Vietnamese meatballs banh is a dish loved by many generations.